Alright, welcome back to my video. It got cut a little short because I don't have the full version to do longer videos, but we'll make it work. So right now we're basically modeling a doorknob. We've already modeled a door with the panels inside. We did the cube of the house and did an extrude on it. So what I'm going to do now is size down the cylinder so that way it fits. Maybe I should make it, yeah, like that. We could get fancier and put more detail into it, but for purposes like this, we're gonna try and just slam this together. Now, let's see. How do I want to go about this? Like I said, I don't really know how to center it other than the translations. But you'll have a general idea of what to do. Maybe you know a faster and easier way to do this. That'd be great. So we're just going to attach that in there and make it smaller. I'm actually going to go smaller than what I have. Oops. Now the doorknob kind of looks a little big. So what we're going to do is shift click these and Command G to group them. And we need two, or one on each side. So Command C, Command D. And as you can see, I got my move tool all the way over there. See, it's kind of zoom out. Oh, what I should have done before that is scale it down. Now that part right there, that's what I was talking about, where you need to center pivot. what I just did there was actually go back because I realized that, oh, we got a problem. I went back because I realized it was still in the duplication and I didn't move it, so I had one on top of another. So let me fix that. That looks better. Okay, so we do the same thing again. Shift click, Command G, and we're gonna scale it. Center your pivot. And you can kind of shape it how you want. If you want it to be round or like that, all depends on your preference. So now you can duplicate it. This one here, we're going to group it again. When it's all green, that means it's grouped. So what we need to do is move it. So we can't do 90 because we need it to completely flip, so you have to do 180. And sometimes it disappears off into your model. You just move this. There it is. So those are some things that I usually run into. Be a problem when you're trying to learn the program. You know what you want, but you can't get it to do it. Group them again, because obviously that's white, so it's not together, it's separate. Get your center pivot back again. And go ahead and move it to the door. Now I'm sure there's probably a faster way to do this and a more efficient way, but like I said, we're still learning. We're on this journey together, and that's a huge doorknob. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just scale it down and then probably just duplicate that to make it even on the other side too. And I'll delete the other one. Move that in place. And I kind of just look at my door and just look and see about where it goes. Go ahead and duplicate it. I'm going to try something. Hopefully it doesn't move it. It worked. As you can see, I just kind of moved it in place as if it was on the right side, but when I flipped it, it went in position. So there you got a full door, and it's all together. So we go ahead and move this back down. Before I do that though, I'm going to delete that. Move this back down. Get it where I want it. Make sure everything is selected. So we're going to group this. I'm going to make another door the same size. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and just get in object mode just to be safe, is we select the outside box first, then the door frame. We go up to mesh and difference. If I can get it to work.